Let's start with how to create a playlist on YouTube if you are a non-YouTuber. Let's say that you are simply scrolling through YouTube and you really liked a video and you want to save that video to watch later when you have time and at your own convenience. So all you need to do is, or the simplest thing that you can do is, you can just hover right under the video out here. Do you see these three dots? All you need to do is click on these three dots, and then you're going to get a drop down menu, and from the drop down menu you need to click on a save to playlist. So if it is your first time creating a playlist, all you need to do is click on this plus sign out here, this huge plus symbol, click on create new playlist. Then you can give a name for your playlist, and you can set the privacy setting for your playlist. So there are three options. One, where only you can view your playlist and nobody else can access it. The second one is if you share a link with someone, only then they can access your playlist. And the third one is obviously public, anybody can view your playlist. But I guess if you're a non-YouTuber and you are just saving a video to watch it later at your own convenience, then you can make your playlist private, and then all you need to do is click on create. Now let's look at a second way to save a video to a playlist on YouTube. Let's say that you're watching a video on YouTube and you really liked this video, and now you want to save it to a playlist so that you can watch it later. All you need to do is, again, you need to click on these three dots which you see on the extreme right, and these three dots you'll find right above your description box. Click these three dots, and then again you're going to get a drop down menu, and you're going to get an option which says save. So click on save, and then either you can add it to an existing playlist, or again what you can do is you can create a new playlist. You can name your playlist, you can select your privacy setting, and then you can click on create. So this was the second way that you can create a playlist on YouTube while you're watching a video. Now, here's a third and final way you can add a video to a playlist on YouTube if you're not a YouTuber. Let's say that you're watching a video on YouTube and you suddenly get a video suggestion out here on your right hand side on the panel out here, and you really want to save this video to watch it later. Then all you need to do is you need to again click on these three dots out here, and you're going to get a drop down menu, and in this drop down menu you're going to get several options. One of them is going to be save to playlist, and either you can save it to the later playlist which is created by YouTube, or you can create your own playlist. And so similarly, just name your playlist, enter your privacy option, and then click on create. Now let's look at how to copy someone else's playlist link. Now let's suppose that you are binge watching somebody's channel on YouTube. Let's say that you are binge watching on Ali Abdal's channel, and you really like some content on his channel and you want to continue watching a list of videos on his channel. And let's say that you have found a playlist of all the videos that you want to watch. Let's say that you want to watch all of his 9 videos which are in the life lessons section. Then but maybe you just want to save a link, or you want to get a link to this playlist. Maybe you want to share it with your friend. So all you need to do is you need to click on view full playlist, and again when you click on view full playlist you're going to reach a page like this one, and here you have the option to share. And when you click on this option you're going to get a link to the entire playlist and copy it, and you can share it and enjoy it and watch these videos later on. Now, one more thing people often question is how to hide playlist on YouTube. Let's say that you made a playlist on YouTube, but you don't want to share that playlist with the world, and you just want to keep it private. So all you need to do is you need to click on the library option out here, and then come down to your playlist section, and again click on view full playlist. And here what you can do is you can change the privacy setting of your playlist. So as you can see, this playlist of mine is currently public, so just click on this and then you can make it private. And when you make it private, you can hide your playlist from the world, so only you have access to your own playlist. And of course, if you no longer want a playlist at all, then all you need to do is click on these three dots out here, and you can delete your playlist altogether if you don't want a playlist at all. And one more very interesting thing that you can do is again click on these three dots out here, and then click on playlist settings. And what you can do is you can add new videos on top of your playlist. So you know what happens every time you add a video to your playlist, it gets shuffled, it gets arranged in random order. But if you want want the newest video that you add to your playlist to always be on top, then all you need to do is you need to activate this, and then you need to click on done. And with every new video that gets added to your playlist, it will be visible right on top. Now, let's say that you're a YouTuber and you want to classify a video to a playlist when you add a video onto your YouTube channel. Then let's see how you can do that. When all you need to do is click on create out here, and let's say that let's upload a new video. I have a sample video somewhere. Yes, I have a sample video here. Let's upload this video onto YouTube. And when you upload your video on YouTube, all you need to do is you need to come down, and then you're going to get the playlist option. And if you can either do two things, you can either add your video to an existing playlist, or you can click on new playlist, as simple as that. And you can again click on new playlist, and then you can give a title to your playlist. You can give a short description about what your playlist is about. So ensure to fill this section, because keyword means better SEO, and better SEO means more YouTube views. And if you're a YouTuber, obviously I am guessing you're going to keep your visibility public, so you can do that. And then all you need to do is click on create. Now, if you're a YouTuber, there's one more thing that you can do to edit your playlist on YouTube. All you need to do is you need to click on your profile icon out here right on top, and then directly head over to YouTube Studio. And when you are in your YouTube Studio, then click on content. And then if you see on top, you're going to get several options. One of them is going to be playlist, so click on playlist. And simply out here again, you're going to get this edit option out here which says details, so click on this. And you can change the title of your playlist, you can change the description of your playlist, the visibility, and the video order. So this is a simple way that you can edit your playlist if you're a YouTuber. And after you have made all the changes that you want, then all you need to do is click on save. Now I can show you one more way that you can make changes to your playlist. Let's say that you want to add a video to a specific playlist on YouTube, or let's say that you have added a video to a playlist on your YouTube channel, but you want to change it. So maybe you added a video to a particular playlist by mistake, and now you want to change it. So all you need to do is click on your video out here, and immediately you're going to get a option out here on top to add to playlist. If you see out here, you're going to get this option, so click on this, and you can change the playlist, or you can add this video to whatever playlist you want, and then you can click on save. Now, let's say that you want to download an entire YouTube playlist onto your computer. Sometimes people want to do that because maybe they want to watch the videos or the entire playlist later. Now, if you have YouTube Premium, of course, you can download entire playlists from YouTube onto your computer or onto your laptop to watch it later. But in case you don't have YouTube Premium, then don't worry. There are lots of other video downloading applications out there that you can use. The one that I use is called yttom3.biz. So this one is pretty reliable, and it allows you to download YouTube videos. Let's say that you want to download certain videos in a playlist, then all you need to do is go to the playlist section of that channel. And let's say that I want to download all the videos in this playlist. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on view full playlist, and then when I click on view full playlist, I get all the videos in that playlist. Now what I must do is I must get a link to this video out here. So the easiest way to do is click on these three dots again on the extreme right, and then click on share. And when you click on share, you're going to get the video link for this video. So copy it, and next what you need to do is you need to come to this site again, yttom3.biz. So just copy this link from here and paste your video URL out here. So it's as simple as pasting it, and then click on download. So When you click on download, yes, this site is going to show you all the different ways that you can download this video. So you can download it as these are the size of the video that you can download it as. So if you want it with audio, without audio, you have all the options. So click on the option that you want. Let me go for this one, the smallest video size. So click on it, and as you can see, my video is downloading out here, and it has already finished downloading this video out here, and it has been saved on my computer. So these were some of the easiest ways that you can use to download videos that are present in a playlist on YouTube. And this was my entire series on how to create a playlist on YouTube, how to edit a playlist on YouTube, how to delete a playlist. Also, if you want to download videos in a playlist on YouTube, what are the things that you need to do. So I hope you found this video informative, and do check out this next video.